Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a little wrenching on my Infraction. We're gonna put RC hop-ups, aluminum steering all up in here, replace all this. I did buy some bearings for it, which I have down here somewhere. I also bought a kit from Jenny's RCs, so I got a bent drive shaft there. And I also got the arms. Comes with all the uppers, lowers, these back here from Jenny's RC too. I pulled, when I hit the wall, it didn't pop it out of the ball, it ripped the whole threads out. So every time I crash now when I'm racing, it kind of pulls the thread out a little bit each time. So it's not quite stripped, but it is stripped. So when it pulls on it, it pulls too hard. I got a couple pins just in case that pin's broke or bent down there. What else did I get? I don't know what I did with the bearings though. I don't know what I did with the bearings, guys. So, but I know they're around here somewhere. I just gotta find them. Drawer of parts. It could not have gone far. Probably in with all my other bearings. That would be smart, wouldn't it? Think they'd be in here with the other bearings? Of course they would be. So there's the bearings. Got these on Amazon. I've had no issues with these, so what are these? 6 by 10 by 3. So that's supposed to change. You got a bearing on the top. Well, right now they're just a spacer. You got a spacer on the top and a spacer on the bottom. So we're going to change those to bearings also. So let's get this party started, huh? I already took off the center, and we are going to just start taking, we're going to take this whole front bumper off right here. I believe there's like 2 or 4 underneath. These two have nuts. There's nuts on the other side, so you screw them back in, they're going to stay there and hold the nut in too. Just so you don't lose it. We don't know how long it's going to sit like this. It might take me a couple days to finish this. You never know. Hoping not. Because I'm also going to put this BEC in too. So BEC, the radio, the receiver. I got a few things to do in this, so we might just do a couple videos here, so we'll see. It's all full of rocks still. I'm not going to put those in. Let's just put these in here like so. Screw them in there, and then we'll put this to the side. Okay, so that got rid of the whole front. You see everything's enclosed still down here. Now if we take off here, 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 and I'm not sure if those need to come off. Yeah, those two. Let's see if we can get these two off. Yeah, okay. Let's flip her over so we know exactly where everything is coming from. And bam, those are just gonna lift right up. So let's, I'm gonna pull this one off. Yeah, it's a big screw in there. Okay. Let's pull this one off. Okay, so let's just take the whole thing out of there. Huh? See, there's the bushing right here that we're going to turn into a bearing. Okay. So let's just pull that whole thing up, huh? Pull that one out. See if that one's straight or not. And I got leaves and stuff down here. Wasn't quite inside, but huh. A little rough out there in the race course. We're gonna clean this whole thing up. So yeah. But here's where the bearings are gonna go down. You're gonna have one down here and then one on top of these to give it that extra easier steering with this SpeedTek RC servo I got in here. It's a SPV 0308. And it's got some power, guys. It's got some speed, so that's why we're gonna put the BEC in and get the volts up to 8.4 and get the max out of this servo, so we can get this quicker when we're racing around the turns and stuff like that. All right, because that's what we want. Yeah. Clean this off so we're not messing with it and getting it all on us. Don't get this on there no more. And, get this all on there first and try this out. I want to put this, I think I'm going to take these two off of here and put this right here, because I don't see any other place where I can put it, unless I rip all this out. Just put a separate mount for that, and then double side tape everything right in here out in the open, and just wad up the wires, you know, in between here. I could do that because these two have to go here for the easiest soldering of this. Then we'll go into this one. So I'll probably route it like that too. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm gonna do this last. I know it's a pretty big, I know I can get a smaller one, but I'm going to be running 6S in this all the time. Not 8S, but I can run 8S in this. I can run up to 8S in this with in a car, it says. You guys, I don't know if that's coming in clear or not, but it says max voltage for cars is 8S, 33.6 volts. And then it says planes with brake enabled, 10S, 42 volts, and then helicopters and planes with brake disabled. You can run up to 12S. It's 50.4 volts. So, I mean, you can get this bad boy up pretty high. So, but not in the car for some reason. I don't know if the motor, because the motor's so big or something like that, and it's drawing so much. I'm not sure what it is, guys, but that's what it says. So that's what we're going to try to stick to, so I don't burn up everything. And I'm like I said, I'm just gonna, it's a race car, and I don't run 8S. I know there's a couple guys out there that do the track, but I don't. So yeah, okay. Got the grease off of that bad boy. Now we're just gonna be working in this for a while. Let's pull this off out of here and get this put together. What do I need? I need this and I need this. So you need a 2.0 because these spin. So nut on the side, which we want to. Let's put this in here so we don't lose it. Forget where that one came from. Yeah, I had hit the wall so hard that it fried my stock ESC. Luckily I had that one, and this one's working great. So I Loctited these. Okay. Those are in there pretty good, so. You guys see what I'm doing still yet? Okay, so we're gonna pull this out, and man, we're gonna clean all this up, maybe re-grease that too. Yeah, this is a mess right here. So, I think we use everything, but these plastic pieces are going to be aluminum now. And this piece changes too, I believe. So let me get a wrench for this one. I think this just comes off. I know they used to Loctite these on there, and I don't think they're doing them now. I hope not. It's the last one, it came off right away. Yeah, okay. So they just unwrench. There we go. A little rubber seal down there. You got the washer that goes over it. On my kraton I'm working on right now, I got it torn apart. I found a washer and I opened up the hole a little more and I put a second washer on here to give it that extra, just that extra little push for a little tightness, a little more tighter. So But on this, I don't think I want a super tight car because the wheels are smaller. The Kraton tires are so big and they grip so good that it starts doing the servo saver bad. And but on this one, I don't care about as much. So if we go like that, right, and make sure we remember how all this goes together. So let's see, where did I do with it? Right here. Let's open this bad boy. RC Hop-Ups, go to their website, guys. rchopups.us, and you can get I got a 10% coupon for you guys. So just use Kurt's RCs, and everything on the site is 10% off. So even when they have sales and stuff like that, you can use the 10% off on top of the sale. So sometimes they have sales, sometimes they don't. So you just have to be paying attention, or, you know, of that nature. So here's these two right here. Everything's individually packaged so it doesn't get scratched up, which is awesome. Comes with all the spacers and all that stuff in it, guys. All the new bolts to bolt everything in. So let's get this one out because we're going to replace that one right there. Yeah, I like that. It comes all. And we are going to replace it with that. Okay, so it's going to go like that. Let's get this over here. Keep it organized a little bit, huh? So let's go here. And I think you have to use those bolts over though. Let's pour this out and see what's in here. I usually like saving those, but we ain't got time for that. Ain't got time for that. So it does come with all the screws, so it looks like these screws, I don't know where those screws go into. So those are nuts, which we don't need nuts because it's probably aluminum threaded. Alright, well, we'll just go as we go, right? So I'm going to take these off, which are probably 5, 6, no, smaller than that. Yeah. So what, a 7mm? A little washer. I don't know if we need all that or not. We'll find out, I guess, huh? Definitely don't need the nut, but we do want to keep all this stuff just in case. Spares for your other Kratons, or your other, not Kratons, but cars. So that's not that one. And that one is flatter. So that one's that one for sure, because it's flat across, right? Bam. So this one must be for this one. I'm thinking that's what the screws are going to be for. So this went like that, right? So down like that, and like that, okay? Here's your big washer, that goes into there, and that like that. But those don't go in there, huh? No, they're too small. No, how big's the difference, huh? I see. That's nice. See that? And it comes with these. Okay. Bam. Look at these smaller ones. Bam. I am going to put this spacer in there. Just to, we'll see. I'm sorry, I do have a fan in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Hopefully you can't. So, this is how we want to do it. Let's put this on there. Make sure it's cleaned off with no nothing on it. Get your Loctite. Make sure you get enough on there. You don't want it to come off during the race. Let's see. This way. I'm assuming the same way. Oh. Yeah, I want it to be that way. Okay, make sure they're snug. Don't tighten them too tight, guys. These are just all aluminum, okay? Like that. Bam! Looking good. Looking good. So I think it goes like that. So we need this bad boy. Is going to go on the top of this bad boy. So you do still need all these, right? All your red stuff. This goes into this one. And your spring. Wipe all this stuff off. Clean it all up. Just cleaning things up a little bit, guys. Alright, put that back over the top of that. So it just slides over the top. Make sure your little rubber seals down here. It's just like a, when it threads to the bottom, I think it's just acts like a stop, like a lock washer almost. Just holds the rubber there. Okay, so you want to tighten that all the way up. I don't want to use any Loctite because I want to be able to get it undone one day, and it should still have enough if you hit. Yeah, see? Okay. And that's, ouch, I got my finger caught in there. don't pinch your finger. Yeah, so, okay. So it's gonna go in there like that, because we want it on this side, right? And let's get these back on there. Let's put this way, just like how that one is. And we want to take this and this apart. This is going to go on the bottom of that. And that is going to go on the top of that. But I think they gave you nice L screws. I'm going to clean these up. A little more Loctite down here on the ground, guys. Almost due for another bottle. Okay. This goes in the front hole. Sorry, I keep drifting off camera out there, guys. Sorry about that. All right. Let's get this one off. This one off. This one up. Just wiping it down real quick, guys. It's gonna look decent. So I got this one here. A little Loctite. Make sure those are on the same page here. Upper one, we want the straight. All right. Got the steering all hooked up. Nice aluminum pieces now. Looks like a little bling bling. A blinga blinga blinga. And then we're gonna take some bearings. These don't come with bearings either. They come with the bushings. I don't know why nobody did that, but TRB RC is where I just got some bearings. They're sealed, they're already oiled. This should fit. I'm hoping these fit right over. Yeah, okay. I measure the bearings of the pieces. right, let's put this on now. I think that's all you need. Pretty sure. Well, there goes those. Okay. Then we'll go 2 more bearings. You guys don't need the bearings. I'm just thinking these would help the steering a little bit better. I mean, they steered pretty good with those, so I'm just trying to get that extra smoothness. There we go. Nice. Okay. So let us see. This is like that. But look at this. Bam! RC hop-ups comes with the whole horn and the arm. Okay? You get this 10% off too if you use my code, guys. Kurt's RCs. RC hopups.us. I'll leave the links down below so you guys can check them out. The aluminum horn, aluminum arm, RC hop-ups on there. It's made for the Arrma 6S lineup, guys, so it'll work on any of their cars. And it comes with a bunch of screws. Gotta love that. You know, they give you the extra screws. I'm just gonna bolt that on there. I'm not gonna bolt this on there. I wonder if that is Loctited. It's always good. Yeah, no, see, I'm glad I took that apart. It's always good to check your screws no matter what company you guys get your stuff from. Okay. Make sure if you're getting aluminum and there's aluminum to aluminum, metal to metal, you want to make sure there's Loctite, guys, because it'll just come apart. I had hot racing and it did that to me, so from now on I do all my those are just the rubber washings in there. Okay, cool. Cool beans, guys, cool beans. Let's see what's in this bag. And I'm getting a little messy over here, but yeah, I need to keep all this together and put it in my bag of parts that I take out to the races, clean those up just in case. Never know when you might, you know, something might fall off when you're out there racing. Need one. That's supposed to be with the bag. So you had all those. Get these two little ones. Go on the side. And this one goes on the other side. I don't want to go too much because, yeah, so you want to put those on last if you can, but there you go. I just want them in there so I don't lose them. Then, let's see, not that one. Maybe it's this one. I have this one and a nut, that's what it is, okay? So this would come up through the bottom, maybe. And it goes on top. This goes in between. It goes on top of that. Man, good. Just didn't give one that screwed in there. Too many moving parts here. I'm just making a see how this works or not. On the screw. Alright. And this nut goes on top of that. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. That came up on top of that, like that too, right? So let's get the little nut out. We have to tip it over a little bit. We're just going to put this over here for now because it just keeps falling out. So let's tip it over. Pull this over here so it'll spin. Okay, I'm just going to tighten this up. I don't want Loctite on that one. And then we'll come back and go like this. Okay. And let's see how that looks. Might be a little good there. Little good there. Voila. Let that dry. Let all this other stuff dry. And that's how you put those on there, guys. And I won't put that on because I don't think when I pulled it apart, it was perfectly straight. So I'm not going to put those on there yet. You know, like it does come with an extra screw here. You can put this chrome one in here to make it look bling blinger. Okay, I'm just going to throw it in there for now so I don't lose it. Leave that one with that one. Okay, I'm going to throw these all in here. So we have all those. I'll put these in a little bag, clean them, put them in a little bag, and then throw them in my travel bag for when I go to the races. All right. So there you go, guys. rchopups.us. 10% off coupon, Kurtz RCs. Go check them out. So there we go, guys. I'm pretty sure, I don't know, I might film this other one. I wanted you guys just to see that. This RC hop-ups. I'm gonna put all this back together, but I'm gonna take this completely apart. Maybe I'll do a video just on this, and we're gonna put, what side is it? I think it's this side. If you can see right, this one? You can see right here. Let's see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's bent like right there. I tried straightening it at the track. I got it really straight. It was bad. But yeah, it's not straight anymore. So, and that could affect the racing a little bit. So I'm gonna replace this and replace this arm, and probably pull this out and put new diff oil in the front. I'm gonna put, I think I have 100,000 in there. I'm gonna do the same thing again, put 100,000. It's been working pretty decent for me, so I'm gonna keep trying that. Okay, so there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Go check out the website. Like I said, get a discount from me, guys. So the company's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.